Hello, I am Deepika Roy Chaudhary, Regional Manager, Madhya Pradesh Tourism, based out of Hyderabad. Uh, as you know, Madhya Pradesh, the state as such, is the largest in the country area-wise, even after the division of Chhattisgarh. Madhya Pradesh has the largest green cover in the country, and by virtue of which Madhya Pradesh also has the large maximum number of wildlife national parks and sanctuaries, out of which Kanha and Bandhavgarh, to name a few, rather to be precise, has an international audience, has an international tourist inflow, which also guarantees a tiger in those forests. And this happens because it is very well maintained by the forest officials in Kanha and Bandhavgarh, and it has also been endorsed by many tourists that yes, it is one of the few best maintained parks in the country, because that is the reason why you can see tigers in Kanha and Bandhavgarh. Besides the wildlife forests, you have also the World Heritage Sites Khajuraho, Bhimbetka and Sanchi, which are again the three major World Heritage Sites in Madhya Pradesh. Then we come to the pilgrimage, that is the two Jyotirlings, that is Ujjain, Mahakaleshwar in Ujjain, and Omkareshwar. Then you have Chitrakoot, where Ram had supposedly lived 14 years of his exile. And Amarkantak, which is the origin of river Narmada. So this becomes a very strong force and element as far as pilgrimage is concerned. Then you have nature, where Pachmari as a hill station you cannot compare it, may not be at par with Kulu, Manali or any other major conventional hill station, but it is a wonderful nature resort where you have wonderful roads, abundant greenery around, and a very well maintained tourist spot where you won't find people using plastic bags or lot of shopping malls and all that. Lovely roads to walk on, beautiful colonial bungalows. They have maintained the best part of it. You don't have hotels out there in Pachmari. It is all those colonial bungalows, that is, which were used by the Britishers 50 or 60 years back. They have been retained, and the condition is that you have to maintain the character of the building, and inside you can do all the renovation, but the character of the building has to be retained, and thus it makes very different from other hill stations. And that's the one wonderful thing which they have maintained, and that is why Pachmari is still, after 50 years, people still say that it's really still beautiful. So, and then other historical places like Mandu is of course worth visit, which is near Indore, just 90 kilometers, is 3000 feet high, again a wonderful historical place. So Madhya Pradesh as such has some wonderful destinations which has its own USP by way of either by architecture or by the location and or by the very history of it. So this is how Madhya Pradesh constitutes. It gives you everything for everybody. If you want, people want leisure, people can go. People want pilgrimage, people want history. So everything is there, and we have packages which are packaged well for people to go out, and people do like our packages, and they are also affordable and reasonable too. So this is how we can constitute what Madhya Pradesh tourism as such, and we are trying to, every year we try to improve our services and our infrastructure. So this is what Madhya Pradesh tourism has been doing.